Hello, and welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
But eating popcorn. I'm eating popcorn. Aria's not. You like popcorn, but you're not obsessed with it like me and Liv.
Yeah, you're not obsessed with it. My baby sister is in party in the bathroom, and that's who we do that. Over there.
I just got home from work. I went grocery shopping afterwards.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, Aria. Oh, Mama has the phone. Okay, enough. Thank you. We're watching the new Space Jam. Well, it's from like 2022, but still, with LeBron James. The girls are pretty into it.
Like what? Like how Don built a video game. He's 12 and he built his own game.
All right, I'm trying out my new tripod. I have like this like bendiness, so it's pretty cool. So you guys see. Look at my dishes. Clean the dishes away. I'll try to do this maybe sometimes. So, what do you guys do with dishes? Do you do them like, do you put them away at night and just reload it, or do you do it in the morning? And I'm talking about like for working moms, like preferably, because I see a lot of like, no offense, stay-at-home moms and stuff, but I have literally limited time in the morning, and I like to get ready. I just want to feel better about myself. So it makes me feel more put together, especially for work. I'm like more awake. Amazon favorite. This thing is amazing. I hate cleaning the air fryer, and so does my husband, so we weren't using it as much. And that thing is like a godsend. Like, seriously. Certain products you buy, you're like, oh, this is so gimmicky, but like that product is really like makes it so easy. Like that thing takes up a lot of space in our sink. We have a fairly large sink, but it's not like ginormous. Yeah, I know I didn't have my makeup off last night. I know, bad. I don't know what is up with me. I cannot like stay awake. So yeah, I can move this around. This is so cool. I got this on Amazon. I read tons and tons of reviews whenever I buy anything. Like, I don't like buying crap. I hate returning things. Like, I have to return something because it doesn't go wire wrapped, and that's what we got. I know I have a plan my hairstyle. If you don't know, if you want to know how to do it, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm sorry, but today is hair washing day, and yesterday I even had my hair up, which I like never do because I feel like it makes me look even younger than I do. I am 30, by the way. And if you're new to this channel, I mostly do beauty content, but I also like doing vlogs as well, just to document things. And like my kids are only getting faster. My kids are growing way too fast. Okay, so and yes, I like having stuff there, my kids' pictures, and we're fighting over TV. All right, I'm organizing some things. Before, Liv was taking this out and literally like almost breaking the drawer and like dumping it and stuff, so we moved it down there, but now I organized that a little bit. Now I'm putting this back in because she doesn't do that anymore. Life of kids and toddlers. So I'm gonna reorganize this. So another Amazon favorite, which we're gonna do a lot of Amazon favorites. This cup is completely spill proof, like, and a lot of cups say that they're spill proof and they're actually not. Like, there's actually liquid in there, and it's very annoying. And then also you can open the straw here. After being a mom for almost 5 years and trying so many different cups, like a lot of them are kind of hard to clean, but I read a lot of reviews. So I like to open that up, put in the dishwasher. Also, minimal parts. I can't stand the cups that come with tons of parts because I am divorced, but I'm remarried, but we have different cups, and oh my God, all of those parts drive me crazy. So those are silicone, which is awesome, because silicone is just so much easier to wash and keep clean, not get all this gross stuff, and also it's just minimal parts. But yeah, those don't actually spill. They only come in a 2-pack, I believe, but they come in different colors and stuff. But yeah, they're actually not spill proof because they stick apart the couch. But if you have toddlers, they like to chuck things and they drop things by accident too. But yeah, it's just anything that makes life just a teensy bit easier, like minimizes the spills. Sitting and waiting for Liv to go potty. You don't see a lot of Elsa. I know. You only Hi. This is actually the cat that we first saw posted, right? And then we wanted your brother. Yeah, and then we wanted your brother too. Yes, you're very pretty. You're a very pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. She doesn't let me pet her a lot. And usually she's a daddy's girl, or you love Arya so much. She is the cat you usually see with the kids. Even though Liv does not want to be around her usually, but so she likes to cuddle when we're on the couch, right? And you love being downstairs. Elsa also does not really like cat beds. She likes chairs. She likes being higher up to see, right? Yeah, and you love our beloved couch downstairs. The futon, yeah. So hi, Elsa. So pretty. Does anybody have like that police? Okay, I'm talking about parents and well, especially moms. I only wash my hair like once a week. I know, gross, sorry, but that's just true. And yeah, my hair used to be super oily. And yeah, so once a week on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, especially mostly Saturday, usually Saturday, I take a nice long shower, wash my hair, do all the stuff, get it ready, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I need it. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. See you on the flip side. We are at my in-laws' house, and Robert is making mac and cheese. What is the brand?
Possibilities.
Possibilities.
Libby?
Daddy and daughter. Stop.
With some on top and some beneath, they brush their teeth.
Oh my God.
Look at them all brushing their teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 people around that sick. 11 animals. And when the moon is on the rise, they all go up.
Water.
Hungry. Me too.
All I had was vegetables for lunch.
Oh.
Grandpa's eating lunch.
All right, the grand.
1, 2. Our 3 little girls. Stella.
Going to school?
Stella.
Come on.
So these falafels we got in our Hungry Root box. Liv's getting a bath. She's really tired. And I think they have kale in them. And then I have spinach, chickpeas that I roasted, and some vegan dill ranch dressing, and then some avocado. So I'm for dinner. And also I think there's a little bit of farro in there or something. And then I have a vegan mac and cheese and then a protein bar. So pretty clean and healthy today. Yeah. This blush is not my favorite. From Euphoria. It's so sticky. You can feel it. And then it comes off on your hand. And then it kind of looks... Yes, you can't really tell. But it just feels like my hair, like... Look at that. Like, it's gross. It's $36. Like... Well, we're trying to get ice cream and... They're trying to get ice cream and popsicles. And there's an Elsa. Ignore that. We're just cleaning that up. There are ketchup also. And there's this stuff. Arya, a daddy, and Liv is somewhere down there. Somewhere over there. Right there. How's your popsicle? Good. It was good. What flavor was it? Blueberry. What's that? Love you. I'm eating some popcorn from Trader Joe's and popped on the stovetop. Always the best. I love my popcorn maker, but I love stovetop. It's just the best. And then put garlic salt. You like garlic or you do not? I love garlic. And then I'm gonna hopefully find something on TV, and we'll probably fall asleep. And I'm gonna hit my makeup off. A lot of blush today. I will see you guys tomorrow. This, I got one of these for the girls and for us in our bathroom. It's a so it sanitizes for 4 minutes and then it turns off. And it also is chargeable. I just wanted this to be cleared off because I hate all of this clutter that we had. We share the same toothbrush. We have different toothbrush heads. Yeah, and then my retainer because, you know, glamorous. And then I need to clean my makeup brushes today. But anyway, like, look, nothing's there. So I just need to work on this. But I have this little thing. I've had this since my baby shower with Aria, so 5 years ago. And it's been used for different things. It had fake flowers in it, but don't leave my laundry. But Aria kept taking them out, and then Lev was taking them out, so that's why we have to take that. So let's get our morning started. How are you playing with your Barbies? You love Barbies, I know.
What's in this? What's it?
You put her sunglasses on? Yeah.
Oh, what's it?
Aria's. Yes, honey.
Oh, what's it?
Oh, you got it?
Oh,
Aria, what are you making your soup?
no, I'm first getting the Barbie dress.
Okay.
What's it? What's it?
Oh, for young.
What's it? What's it?
Okay.
And Mama said,
Mama put the glasses on. Pretty cool. They can bend. Oh my gosh, what happened to her hair? Some strawberry cream cheese and bagel. Dave's told like Dave's. Oh, yeah, one. And we have actually like strawberry biscuit. It's really good. I asked to help, so she's mopping.
And we did a video last weekend when it was my birthday.
It is not your birthday.
No, when I was 2.
What are you talking about?
When I was a baby, when I turned 2.
Okay. Thank you, Aria. This is my new water jug. The other one broke the lid. It tells me how much is in there. It's ginormous. It doesn't fit in any cup holders, but which time? I'm a little behind actually too. Usually a lot better. And I put flavored water in there. I put water and then like some Crystal Light drops in there. Okay, 1 second. We're eating pasta, lima beans, and gray beans with a new vegan cheese via light. Okay, I'll give you some water. Mommy's waters are always the best, right? And the hair on the face is the signature for my kids. My little daughter, Melissa, loves cuddling with Stella. They're like best of friends.
You want to go sit down, Mommy?
You're so cute. Got a big poo-poo on the party. How do you feel, Daddy?
Good.
Yes, we're gonna get popsicles to celebrate. Yay! In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a little toy house. Yeah, little mouse. Young mouse. Kitties. Those, yeah. Mittens. Socks. Yeah. A housey, yeah.
Oh, no, Daddy's on there.
Oh, Daddy's there.
With big sharp teeth.
Oh, Daddy,
And from the page. Clock, yeah. And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush. And the little white old lady was just saying, good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Say bear.
Papa,
Yeah, bear in a chair. Are you sitting in a chair?
Papa,
Yeah. Good night, kittens.
oh, what's this?
The kitties, yeah. And good night, mittens. Good night, clocks. And good night, socks.
Greek monster. Yeah, maybe we'll see one at Grandma's.
Good night, little house. And good night, mouse.
I'm jealous.
Good night, comb. And good night, brush.
Damn, I would live by a swamp.
Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. And good night to the old lady whispering.
Live by a swamp.
Good night, stars.
My
Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere.
Jelly instead of
Good book. You want to have a hug? Mommy, hug.
And look you right in your
Liv, go get
one
Sissy
eye
a
and say,
hug.
I love you. And I would sing to you
Liv,
until your one
give
droopy
Arya a hug
eyelid
and kiss.
finally closed and you fell fast asleep. I love you, Mama. And I love you, my wonderful child. Alright, give Arya a big hug. Give her a big hug. Give Arya a big hug. Give Arya a big hug. You gonna give her a kiss, Arya? You just tired?
She wants to give you a kiss.
Can I get a hug and a kiss? Urgh.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Can I get a kiss? Alright, sweetie, let's go in our room.
I just washed 58 brushes. If we're including a double-sided brush, I washed one side, or washed two, I washed a double-sided brush, so 59 brushes. And this is not even all my brushes. I think I have like 12 downstairs, or no, maybe like more, I don't know. But yeah, I use this mat from Target. That's actually, I really like it because you can get really deep in there instead of just using my hand. My hands don't get super pruny, my fingers. This is a Zote soap. I actually just got a new one last week. So yeah, we're getting ready for bed. We're gonna watch 90 Day Fiance. I think is it after 90 days? Or no, it's the 90 Day Fiance the other way. Oh, I was just drinking out of the humidifier. I was like, what is that sound? She said she was thirsty. 90 Day Fiance, like, we're watching 90 Day Fiance the other way. Oh my god. Bahoon. Like, the mom just sits there and is just like listening to everything. It's so creepy. Like, and they have so many fights. Like, so annoying and stressful. And I don't understand why people don't research these cultures too and research like their religions. Like, how do you not know about like how to dress? Or oh my god, here's the mom on the phone again. She's like, girl, I got some tea to tell you what's going on in this house. Yeah, she is. She's just, oh, your mom's here. Hey, girl, I gotta talk. I gotta call you. Your uncle's waiting. Hello, I walked in the room. Hey, they having another fight. It's gonna be long, okay, girl. Mama shark. Mama shark.
That is that. Do. That is that. Do. That is that. Do.
Guys, it's the end of Monday. I'm losing my voice, which I'm like, today was okay. Spilled coffee all in my bag because I didn't put the seal thing on my coffee mugs. Those things have a purpose, so leaked all over my bag. And on the ground near my office, so that was fun. Not. And then also forgot I needed gas, so I had to get gas this morning. Also, this is my second look. It's okay. Not my... I like the colors, but I wiped off the other look, so... But, yeah. And that's when I just use brow pencil and a brow gel. So I hope everyone had a good weekend whenever you're watching my vlog. Let me know what day you want to see my vlogs and my Shop My Stash videos. I'm posting my Box Charm by Ipsy spoilers today. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.